Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I have 10 plus years of experience in HR and I help professionals and students to improve their communication skills, their soft skills, their professional English, and overall personality development. And I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently with my experience. Well, today is the third day of English speaking challenge, which I've started. I emphasize more on speaking practice so as to develop fluency and confidence. If you don't speak, you won't be able to develop fluency and confidence at all. So speaking is something which we have to focus on. We have to keep practicing speaking in English in every situation. So that is very important. And that is why I've come up with 7 days English speaking challenge so that every single day I pick up a topic to speak on it so that you can also speak with me, repeat after me, shadow with me, or you can take my idea and topic and speak on your own or in your own words, or you can take my topic, come up with your own idea and speak on it. So you can do a lot of things, guys, just watching one single video, right? And you'll get 7 different topics to speak on for your speaking practice. So guys, stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to learn more. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost and access to all the amazing content on this channel. Let's get started. Well, today I'm going to talk about motivation, right? What motivates you? Or if I have to be asked what motivates me. Okay, so how we will answer this simple question in English, right? So I'm going to talk about this in detail in this video and I'm going to break it up for you so that you understand how we can talk on it, right? So the first things first, what motivates you or what is your motivation? What does that mean? So people do ask all these questions and we also, at some point of time, we have to start thinking on this, taking this question very seriously. You know why? Just because motivation is a key to success. How it is so? How it is a key to success? I'm going to explain you. Now, whenever we do something, we should have some motivation to do that thing. If you are not motivated enough to do something, you won't be able to do it because you will not feel like doing it. You will not give your 100% to it, right? For example, if somebody has come and told me that, you don't know English, you should start learning English, right? And since that person told me, I start thinking about okay, I should learn English. But inside of me, there's no voice, there's no motivation. I really don't want to learn this language. It's just that I have a pressure from the society. Like everybody, when they meet me and they tell me that, learn English so that you can be successful in life. Start learning English, you'll get a good job. Start learning English, you will be successful in life. Start learning English, you'll get a admission in a good college or a good school. So people keep on saying these things. So what happens is we have this pressure from the society of doing certain things, but from within we are not motivated enough to do that. Now, if in this case I started to learn English, or if I start to learn English, I might not be able to, I might not excel in that, I might not pick up the language easily, right? Because there's no driving force. I am not happy with it. It's just that I have this pressure of learning the language, so I'm doing it. That is where motivation plays a big role. If I start thinking on my own that yes, they're right, I want to be successful in life, I want to get into an MNC, or I want to go abroad and study. So if these things, I have to learn this language. I have to be very fluent in this language, right? I have to master this language. The day this thought comes to me and I start feeling motivated enough to achieve my goals, I will put my 100% to it and I will definitely learn this language at the earliest. Take it from me, it's a guarantee. Okay, this is why motivation is very important. If you're doing something, it should motivate you. Something should motivate you to do that, right? If you've started a business, right? So probably since childhood, you were very passionate about starting a business. You wanted to have your own company or have your own setup. You were always passionate about having your own setup, having your own business, right? Or having your own restaurant or a food chain or anything, whatever. And if you start thinking of planning how to start the business, it will be much easier for you to come up with ideas and plan it in a better way because you wanted to do it. You were passionate about it. You have this motivation. You are motivated enough since childhood to have your own setup. So this will help you in achieving your goal or in achieving success in that particular thing. So this is how motivation works. You can take small examples also, like hitting a gym or doing some exercise. I am not very passionate about doing exercise. I really hate exercise. I can walk for long. I am fine with it, but I can't do exercise for 5 or 10 minutes. It becomes very difficult for me. And I can't go to a gym as well because I don't have time anyways. So, but at home also, exercise is something which is really not my cup of tea. I really don't like it. I can walk. I take out time every single day for 20 minutes for a walk. And I do that every day religiously. But exercise, there's no motivation. I am not motivated enough from within to do some exercise. So these are small things. In small things also motivation really helps. Right, so that is what I'm trying to explain you with examples at how motivation works. If you're not motivated enough to do a thing, you will not be able to give your 100% and you might not learn that skill very well, or you might not be able to master that skill. Okay, or you will be very slow in achieving your target. So that is why whenever you start doing something, come up with something which should motivate you to do that. If you have that goal, if you have that target, if you have that motivation or passion, it is going to help you to achieve that thing easily, quickly, and effortlessly. You will enjoy the journey. You will take extra efforts. You'll put in energy, time, efforts, everything to achieve your goal. Right? So that is why motivation is very important. Now, coming to the question, what motivates me? So, the one thing which motivates me is I want to help people, right? So, since childhood, I was very curious of knowing people and knowing their problems and coming up with a solution or helping them with something or the other. So, I always was very into helping people or problem solving. So, today also, I want to do something which helps people, and I'm very glad that I am doing that. I am a communications coach, I am a soft skill trainer, and I help professionals and students in achieving their dream of speaking good English or to improving their communication skills or soft skills or personality development, right? So I want to help people to achieve their goals, to be successful in life, and that is the driving force behind me. That thing motivates me. When I see people achieve the target, when I see people improve on their communication skills, get a good job, become successful in life, I really feel very happy and very satisfied. So that is one thing which really motivates me. And that is why I'm into this profession. I wanted to do something to help people. And that is why I've started a YouTube channel also, whoever I can, to become fluent and confident in English. So that is what motivates me. And when I see people achieving the target, achieving their goals, I really become very happy and very satisfied as well. So that is one thing which really motivates me to be in this profession. Next one is my growth, my professional and personal growth. So being in this profession, it helps me in my personal as well as professional growth. Personal in the sense that I also keep on practicing things. I also keep on building up public speaking skills and communication skills and personality development skills. I have to do a lot of research. I have to read a lot. I have to read a lot of research as well to guide people. So in return, it is also adding on to my knowledge, and it is helping me to grow my personality as well, personally as well as professionally. So that is another motivating factor which helps me. This is another factor which motivates me. Of course, we all should grow personally as well as professionally as well, right? Personal growth is also very important, and professional growth is also very important. We cannot leave one behind. Okay, we have to, these both should go hand in hand. So unless until you don't develop your personality or develop you as a person, groom you as a person, it will be very difficult for you to grow in your career, in your professional life. So these two goes hand in hand. So you should have that motivation to grow yourself personally as well as professionally also. So whatever it takes, whatever you can do for your personal growth, it is really going to reflect you in your professional growth. So that is why I always talk about read books, autobiographies, motivational books, etc. Whatever you can, whatever motivates you or will help you in achieving something in life or help you grow personally or in your personal growth as well. So take those type of novels or books and start reading it. Start watching TED Talks or any talk show which is really going to help you in your personality development or your personal growth or your personal development, right? So once you are there, once you start doing that, definitely it is going to reflect on your professional life as well. And of course, you'll be able to pave a way towards a successful career. Okay, so these two things should go hand in hand. You cannot neglect one and take care of other. If you don't take care of your personal development, it will be very difficult for you to grow professionally as well. Or if you are taking care of your professional growth, probably you will not be able to achieve what you have thought of. Okay, so that is why personality development or taking care of personal growth is also very important, and it is really going to help your family as well. Your personal growth is directly linked with your family as well. So that is why you have to take care of your personal growth as well along with professional growth. So my profession helps me in my personal as well as professional growth to grow in my career. So these are the two things which really motivates me to be successful in life or to be in this profession. So these are the two motivating factors behind me. Now you can talk about anything, your profession, your education, if you are pursuing anything, why you're so passionate about it, or what motivated you to be in that, to pursue that education, right? Or if you want to go abroad, if you want to do something else in life, whatever you want to, just talk about that. Just think about what is that thing which motivates you. It can be one single thing which might motivate you. There might be 3-4 factors which motivates you to do that thing. Come up with one thing which you want to do or you want to achieve in life, and what is the motivation behind that. Speak about it. If you want to learn English also, why you want to learn English. Start answering this question and you'll get to know why you want to learn English, and it will help you in your English speaking practice also, and it will be very easy for you to achieve your goal of being fluent and confident as well. So guys, that's the end for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.